In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit the checkout page in Wix in 2025, step by step, the right way. This is one of the most common questions Wix store owners have, especially when you want to customize the checkout experience, adjust the layout, or make your branding consistent across your store. Whether you're running an online shop, selling digital products, or offering services, this guide will walk you through exactly what you can and cannot change on the Wix checkout page. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to work on. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, click on Edit Site to launch the Wix Editor. This is where all your design and layout changes happen. Now, inside the editor, navigate to the page where your checkout process starts. In most Wix stores, this is connected to your product pages or cart page. Click on Pages from the left-hand menu and then locate your checkout or cart-related page. Go ahead and open it so you're working on the correct section. Once you're on the checkout-related page, you'll notice that Wix handles the checkout itself as a secure system-managed page. This means you can't fully redesign the checkout layout from scratch, but you can customize key elements that affect how it looks and feels. Click on the header section of the checkout page first. From here, you can edit your header just like any other page on your site. You can change the logo, adjust the menu, modify colors, update fonts, and even add or remove elements depending on your site design. This is important because the header is one of the first things customers see during checkout, and it should match your brand perfectly. Next, focus on the design settings that control the checkout style. In the editor, go to your site settings and open the store settings or checkout settings, depending on your Wix version. Here, you can customize colors, fonts, and button styles that apply to the checkout experience. This allows you to change things like the background color, text color, and button appearance, so everything stays consistent with your brand identity. You can also edit the text that appears on the checkout page. Wix allows you to customize labels, field names, and certain messages shown to customers during checkout. This is especially useful if you want clearer instructions, more friendly wording, or language that matches your brand voice. Take your time reviewing each text option and make changes where needed. Another important area you can edit is the checkout form behavior. Inside the store settings, you can choose which fields are required, enable or disable certain options, and control how customer information is collected. While you can't remove core payment fields for security reasons, you can still optimize the flow to make checkout smoother and reduce cart abandonment. After making your edits, always preview your changes. Click on Preview in the Wix Editor and go through the checkout process yourself as if you were a customer. This helps you catch any design issues, spacing problems, or confusing text before publishing. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. Your updated checkout experience will now be visible to all customers visiting your store. And that's how you edit the checkout page in Wix in 2025. While Wix keeps the checkout secure and structured, you still have plenty of control over branding, layout elements, and settings to improve conversions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more Wix tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.